Now, I'm at my buddy's house, and he's not here. He had an appointment, but he trusts me enough that he left his house available to me. And this is the clock that I bought that he picked up for me. The guy said it was original weights, but it's not. It's cuckoo clock weights. It's not the original pendulum. He told me that, so I'll have to make a pendulum. But let me see if I can turn this thing around so y'all can see it. Here's the clock itself. I'll open up the case. It's got nice little latches on the case. Wooden plate movement. I'll go ahead and put the weight on to see if I can get it to strike. Stand by, let me wind it up some. The chain is in a somewhat of a knot. And that's because the chain is not on the movement. So I don't know if I can put it on the movement. Without taking the movement out. I think I got it on. Of course, it doesn't have bellows. I'm sure they could be easily added. Now I thought the hammer was upside down when I saw the pictures, but it actually strikes that way. If you see the gong, it goes in like this. This is the top, so it would be coming up to hit the gong like so. I don't know if it's adjusted or not, so let me see if I can see if it strikes. No, it's not adjusted. It needs to be bent out some, the hammer, toward the back. So let me see if I could do that. Looking through the side door here is what I'm looking at. The hammer needs to come down. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the hammer needs to come down and out some more. I probably bent it too far down. I got it too far out. Maybe. Nope, not quite there. It needs to come up some more. I think that's too close, but I had the weight caught. Trying to do things with one hand isn't always fun. We're getting a noise. It don't sound bad, but it's catching on the back door, I believe. And it's only striking one time. This the weight was messed up again. This movement it's got a different lever that goes into the count wheel than most levers. This has got a curved arch on it. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, it's a really cool wooden plate movement. It needs some adjustments. But I'm happy with the clock. What is also cool about this clock is there's a piece of glass right here covering the dial. The hands are on the outside of the glass, but there's a piece of glass which protects the dial. Pretty neat.